Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a Feel Unique beauty kit to share with you. I tried to fit them all in the little pouch that it came in, but yeah, they're obviously too big. As always, if you're new to this sample service, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what items I chose for this month, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Feel Unique is an online beauty store, and for the last couple of years they've been providing a pick and mix sample service, which is a little bit different to this. You can choose 5 samples for completely free and you just pay £3.95 shipping, which then gets credited back onto your account to use against any future purchases on their website. I'm a huge fan of their pick and mix sample service. Definitely worth checking out, as it's essentially free, which I think is brilliant. So then last year then they brought out this. They brought out their beauty kit, similar sort of concept where you get to choose 5 samples once a month, but the differences between the beauty kit and the pick and mix sample service is that with a beauty kit, the samples tend to be more higher end, and also they tend to be bigger as well. Plus, there is a cost. The pick and mix is free, the beauty kit is £12.95, and then you pay the £3.95 shipping on top, which then gets credited back to your account. When they first brought out the beauty kit, I believe it was before Christmas, I chose my first samples and I just thought, you know what? This is good, but it's not that great. So I wasn't convinced that it would do well, or it's something I regularly want to use. However, they stopped it for a while when the world went into lockdown, but they started about a month or 2 ago bringing the services back. And I don't know, I got one last month and I loved it. And I keep getting messages off you lot saying, Claire, have you seen what's on Beauty Kit? Have you seen? So I've got another one. I have got another one. There's no subscription involved with both of the services, but you can only order once a month. So say for instance you order on the 1st of July, you won't be able to do it again until the 1st of August. If you choose wisely, you can get products that are worth loads more than what you paid for it. At the moment, which I'm gutted about, absolutely gutted. At the moment, they've got Clinique eyeliner, they've got Urban Decay eye primers, they've got an Urban Decay eyeliner, they've got Charlotte Tilbury, is it an eyeshadow pencil or a lipstick? I can't remember now. They've got Giorgio Armani lipsticks. Oh, there's a lot of things on there, and I was like, oh, typical. When I found out that those items were now on their website, I had my delivery that morning. So yeah, never mind. I am still chuffed with what I've chosen here though. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I'll pop both links to the pick and mix service and the beauty kit service down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I chose. With every beauty kit order you will receive this pouch, which is quite nice to begin with, but if this is going to be a regular thing, imagine how many pouches you're going to get. So in all honesty, I just think I don't need a load of them. I'll be just giving them away. So it's a little bit of a pointless thing for me. Maybe they could give you a pouch with your first order, maybe, or they stop the pouch and they reduce it to say £10. I prefer for it to be a little bit cheaper and not receive a pouch, but yeah, anyway, so you'll all get one of those if you get a beauty kit. So the first item I got, which is not there at the moment, is this gorgeous Urban Decay their all-nighter setting spray. Now it is teeny tiny, it is so small. This is 15 mils. I love this setting spray. It is the best setting spray out there for longevity. If you're after a setting spray that you want your makeup to look flawless for many hours, then yeah, this is the one to go for, and it's especially great on holiday. If you're somewhere hot and you're sweating, and this is brilliant. It is so good. I love the size, so I'm going to keep it. I'm not going to open it up. I'm going to keep it as it is and put it in my little travel drawer of little minis to take on holiday or trips away, or you know, night away to see friends or something. But we've got a little booklet in there as well. Why do you need a booklet? I don't know, but yeah, I've got the full size version, but the reason I got that is because I love it and I just thought it's a really nice size. Next I went for an Estee Lauder lipstick. What is this one? What can I tell you about it? This is the Pure Colour Envy Sculpting Lipstick, and this is in shade Rebellious Rose 420, and it's a little mini one. It's a 1.2 gram lipstick. Look how small that is. Have I had this before? have I had this before? It looks familiar. It does look familiar. I wonder if I've had it in a one of Latest and Beauty's, the collection boxes. I'm not too sure. It's a gorgeous colour. It's really lovely. Let's try it. Yeah, it's definitely a shade I'd wear. That is really, really nice. So again, one for my little travel pot. It's going to be huge. I've got so many items in there. It's ridiculous, especially, you know, I'm not going away this year. I'm not even staying the night with anyone this year, you know. Anyway, next item is a perfume. This is Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs. You're So Sweet. 4 mils here. Now, I love Marc Jacobs perfumes. I don't like the original Daisy. I've got one there behind me, a full-size version, a full-size, is it Oh So Fresh? I think it's Daisy Oh So Fresh, and I love that. I absolutely love it. And I like some of their other perfumes as well. So I thought I'd give this a go. Look at this. I wasn't expecting this at all. How blimmin' cute is that? That is just adorable. Look. That is super, super cute. Little Daisy on the top there. It's a really nice size, really nice size. Again, especially if you were going away anywhere. But no, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to put it with the rest of my perfumes. I've had a look at this, but I haven't sniffed it yet. I wanted to do it with you. Yeah, it's definitely sweeter, and I'm not that keen on sweetie sweet perfumes. It's quite a strong perfume. I'll have to see what it's like if I was to apply more to my skin. Whether it's too sweet for me or not, I don't know. But it's a nice smell. It is nice. So that bottle is just so cute. It is just so, so cute. So yeah, I'm really chuffed with that. And then I've got 2 hair care products, and they are both by TG. And I've got TG Bed Head, and this is a mini hard head extra strong hold hairspray, and I've got 100 mils here. See there, I use hairspray all the time, and my favourite is, oh, you can't see it now, but my favourite is Got To Be, and it's the yellow freeze one. I've been using it for years and years. It's stiff as heck. It is the strongest holding hairspray out there, but I love it. I really love it. And yeah, it's just a hairspray. So I thought I'd give that a go and see how it compares to my favourite Got To Be. So is that. And lastly, I got this product by TG. Oh, you can see the ring light there. This is Bedhead Small Talk. It's a thickifier, it's not even a word, thickifier, energizer, stylizer, and then it goes into different languages then, but we've got 125 mils there. So it's like it's a styling cream to add volume and texture to my hair. That bottle is gorgeous, isn't it? It's just so cool. It is so, so cool. I really like that. I do like this brand. I haven't tried many of the like styling products before, like the hairsprays and stuff. It's usually like shampoos and things I try from them. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see what this is like. Does it say whether you have to, yeah, use 2 to 3 pumps on wet hair, blow dry and style as desired. Yeah, so there's that. So those are all my products. So I'll just gather them all up. So these are all the products that I chose for Feel Unique's beauty kit for July. I've got a TG Bed Head. It's a volumizing hair styler. I've got a TG Bed Head hairspray. I've got a mini Urban Decay setting spray. I've got an Estee Lauder mini lipstick. Plus I've got a little mini Marc Jacobs Daisy Love Oh So Sweet perfume. As far as the beauty kit and the pick and mix sample service, I tend to look at how much I'm getting, especially more the beauty kit, because obviously there's more money involved. So I look at the quantity and then I look for the actual products I like. I could go on there and look for the most expensive products and things, but do I really want them or not? So it'll be a waste for me then, you know. So you are able to get a lot more value for your money if you know, you can get really expensive products on there. Like 15ml cream would be worth like 30-40 pounds, you know. So they are out there, but for me personally, I look at the quantity and whether I want the products or not, and I'm really chuffed. Perfume, but hit and miss. I'll see. It smells nice, but I'm not sure if it's a little bit too sweet for me. but I'm chuffed about the bottle. It looks gorgeous. But no, really happy with these. So yeah, so as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of my choices? And also, have you recently bought anything from the beauty kit, and are they similar to mine, or have you gone for the really great ones, like as I said, the Clinique and Charlotte Tilbury and Urban Decay ones that I missed? But never mind. Hopefully they'll be there when I can order again, maybe. But as I said, I don't want to do this every month. We'll just have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.